Cabin 1029 on the Celebrity Reflection. As you enter the cabin, it's a very short walkway into the entire cabin. As you can see, the cabin is quite spacious. Here, you should be very comfortable here for the weekend. And I'm sorry, we started to already unload and unpack when we first came in. When you first come in, it's going to be to your left, which is a very spacious bathroom. It's a step up, so be careful when stepping into the restroom and stepping out. Has a very nice sink here. It also has some cubby holes here with a few glasses, and for you can store things here along the side. As you move around, there is some lotion, washcloths, tissue, and also a bar of soap and some extra toilet paper here as well, with some more drawers and storage space, which is really good. You go around here, you have a very spacious step-in shower. With the shower comes all of your shampoo, conditioner, and body gel. So that's quite convenient. If you're quite tall, I think you'll be very comfortable in the shower. They have a very nice shower head in here as well. Again, remembering to step down as you come out of the bathroom so you won't have any accidents, slips and falls, things like that. And the light is located on the outside for the bathroom. And they even have here, remember I kept saying watch your step, there's a watch your step sign as well for a reminder. And here is a full length mirror, so you can check out how you look for the day. Moving around, you have your closet. We already started to put some things in the closet. So we have a few things hung, and there's also a couple of umbrellas in here, things like that. And here's a sofa, but of course we have our suitcase open. It's only 3 days, so I'm not really going to unpack and store anything for this trip. And over here, you just have your little seating areas, little desk. You have a couple of bottled waters here. They are not complimentary. You do pay for these waters, so just take note of that. Over here, you have a couple of champagne glasses. Have a television here, which is nice. Also, we're on the concierge. We paid for an extra concierge level. So it came with lunch. We missed lunch because we got here kind of late. But part of being on the concierge level is a complimentary bottle of champagne, which we'll be popping later. So I thought that was great. Also, later on during the week comes like hors d'oeuvres and things like that every evening. Over here, you have your light, your phone, some more storage. You have a nice king size bed here. And then you also have another little lamp with a little nice little cubby hole here for your things. One thing that I don't see while I was touring this entire cabin is like, where are the outlets? Like, where do you plug things in? So there's nothing. I don't see anything. I don't have any idea where I would charge my phone. So let's go together. Let's look together. Maybe you'll find it before. If you find it before I find it, please let me know where it is. Haha, I found them. Okay, so you have 2 regular chargers, and it looks like you have a European outlet, but it's not very many. So if you're traveling, if you're a vlogger, content creator, and need a lot of plugs, you have to bring your own. So as we're selling away, I'm missing the entire sell away. They sold away really early. So here's my husband coming in. He actually was able to enjoy the sell away, whereas I wasn't. But that's okay, because I'm enjoying it now. So we're departing from Fort Lauderdale. So pretty. Look at the beach. Oh my God, I've been waiting for this day for a while. Normally we would have taken like some type of water or cruise before August, but this year our calendar did not permit us taking it before then. I'm just grateful we're on it now. Well-deserved, needed vacation. But let's get back over here to this balcony. This balcony is pretty spacious. It has 2 chairs, a table, and 2 footrests. And the chairs are pretty deep too, so you're just not sitting straight up. You can almost feel like you're lounging in this chair. But this is just a quick room tour that I want to show you guys. Again, we're on the Celebrity Reflection. It's a 3-day cruise, and we are embarking from Fort Lauderdale, and first stop tomorrow will be Key West. So I'll probably see you a little bit later today. We're going to go walk around, tour the ship, and we'll check in with you later. Talk to you soon.